HaloView rear view camera. I hope I can say it like that. Let's have a quick look at some of the information which is written on the back, and well, start off the front. So it's got up to 3 camera inputs, 10 to 32V wide voltage input, so we're using 12, so a 12 volt, onboard speaker, quick switch, only 0.8 seconds needed to switch from one camera to another, and 8 languages. And on the back we see it's a 7-inch screen, aspect 16:9, contrast 500:1, brightness, a viewing angle, dot pitch, and lots of other information there on the back. Power consumption is a maximum of 6 watts, which is very low. Operating temperature -20 to +70. Well, let's hope it doesn't get to +70. And the storage temperature, should you want to store it, goes to +80. And right, so inside we should find a U support, sun shield, angled adjustment screws, center mount bracket, power cable, and a user manual. So we'll take it out. User manual. Some more technical information. And there it is. Let's have a look. Screen, cable, oops. External camera, mount, and there's the other cables. Take them out. There's the cables. And this is the cable which goes to the rear. This company also makes wireless as well, should you so desire. I got one with a cable. Well, now try and fix it up.